Apple is asking a California judge to throw out a court order to force the tech giant to help the FBI break into an iPhone used by terrorist Syed Farook, one of the San Bernardino shooters. Apple's motion comes more than a week after another judge ordered the company to create software to unlock the encrypted phone, and Apple chief Tim Cook said no. CBS News Justice reporter Paula Reid is following the case closely. Paula, good morning.
Good morning.
So this case has been making headlines for weeks now. Where do we stand as of today?
We're currently in a standoff. This case right here, this is the case of a generation. This will answer what we've all been asking. How far does tech have to go to accommodate law enforcement? And how far does a valid warrant actually get law enforcement in these cases? The laws are just so outdated, and so many people have been waiting for this case that will hopefully answer these questions.
The phone in question here, Paula, is actually the property of Farook's former employer. Could they not just demand that Apple open it?
They tried. And it does make it easier that the individual in question is deceased, because that takes away some of the privacy protections that would have existed. But Apple refused to do what they're asking here. They're asking Apple to write software to undermine their signature security protections so that they can run an unlimited number of passwords without the fear of that feature that erases all your data if you do up to 10 incorrect passcodes. So that's really something extraordinary that they're asking them to do.
All right, so you kind of just answered the question there, but in Apple's filing, they do claim the government says just this once and just this phone, but the government knows those statements are not true. So explain once more, what exactly is it that the government is asking of Apple?
It's not just this one phone. Whatever happens in this case will serve as precedent for every future request, because there is no law on this issue. So in this case, they're asking them to write software that will undermine the security feature that would otherwise wipe out any data that's on that phone if they try 10 incorrect passwords. And while that's a very specific request, really what they want to do is be able to get into all the phones in the future for future cases. So the FBI wants precedent. They haven't been able to get Congress to pass a law, so they're trying to push this through the courts in the hope that they can get precedent to rely on for all the other requests that they need to make.
All right, Paula Reid, thank you so much.